How fast can the Tiivra DS gloves dry after being completely soaked? This is the question I'm setting out to answer today. If you're going for a long ride, especially during the monsoon, there's a good chance there will be rain for a certain stretch of the journey, and then it'll be dry for a while after that. The quicker your gloves dry during this time, the better and more comfortable you're gonna be. Not everyone has a rain-specific pair of gloves, so I'm here to show you why the DS gloves are a great daily driver and a great rain ride companion as well. I rode from Chembur to Bandra to see how dry they'd get. So while the DS gloves aren't monsoon gloves, they're not waterproof, so water is still gonna reach your hands, but the gloves won't get damaged in the process, and thanks to superior ventilation and mesh panels, the water will dry off extremely quickly. In 40 minutes of riding, I'd say I got to about 80 to 85% of dryness, which I'd call pretty good. Let's see what my colleagues think though. Morning.
Morning.
Morning, bro. Anything unusual? Does it feel wet?
Wet?
Yeah?
No.
No? Hence, bro.